Today we've got a special announcement. For Christmas this year, we're going to be challenging ourselves to make 100 wooden toys in just 24 hours to donate to kids in need. But before we get started, there's a few challenges we have to overcome. First, we need to figure out what design of toys we're going to make. This of course depends on the age of the kids, and we want it to be handmade out of these 2x4s to help us save on cost and because we have a whole bunch of these laying around the shop. After searching throughout the internet, we've come up with these different designs to kick it off. Now there's something challenging to each one of these designs, so we're going to do a test run today to see if we're actually able to make them. And to make 100 of these in 24 hours, we essentially have to make one every 14 minutes, and that's not including any breaks for food or anything else throughout the day. So we're gonna try and see if this is possible. To start off, I traced my own version of the toy design. I am so excited to announce that for this, we're gonna be teaming up with one of our local charities, JF Party Dragon, which is located in Toms River, New Jersey, to help give back to these kids. At the same time of making 100 of these toys, we're going to be launching a Facebook Live donation page, which you can find linked below, so that you guys can also contribute with any funds to help with the mission of this charity, and hopefully help us crush our goal of $500 of donation. Make sure you go below, check it out. Now I'm off to the bandsaw to freeform cut out the shapes. I started with the car and train designs, but then I moved on to the more complicated airplane shape, which has 3 separate parts to it. After cutting out the shapes, I ran everything against the belt sander to clean up the Sharpie marks, and I got everything nice and smooth. Then I ran everything against a nice 1/4 inch round over bit. Now to attach the wheels, I laid them out and pretty much eyed where I thought they would look best. I marked this, measured to make sure that they were the same distance from the bottom, and then I drilled through all the way so that all the 4 wheels on each toy would be evenly placed. For most of the toys, it was as easy attaching pegs to the wheels to keep them secure. For the plane, I also had to attach the propeller with an additional peg, and then I glued the wings to the top. Alright, so these are the designs that we've come up with for now, and we've got a few more that we're going to be making during the challenge. Comment below if you like these ones or if you think there's others that we should also include in the challenge. We're going to be launching the challenge in the beginning of December, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification next to it so you guys don't miss it. As always, thanks again for watching, guys. Peace.